Hey guys, what's up? Tim Avery here with Visual Testments. I got a treat for you. My wife and I decided to get some electric e-bikes. So this is the Swagtron EB7 Elite Plus bike, and I wanted to do an unboxing of this. This is one of those folding bikes, and I want to be able to unbox this and kind of reveal this with you guys. So let's do that. Got my scissors here. Side. All right. Wow, looks like they got this thing pretty packed tight in here. Let's see what this is here. It looks like this is the instructions and the charger for this thing. Yep, charger for instructions. Happy to write a review or give you some feedback if you're not happy. So, all right, that's cool. So I'll put that to the side there. I got my trusty assistant here, Clacoletta. So let's look at these instructions and see what this says. It looks very small, so that's good. Doesn't hold a whole lot because I think most of this is pretty much pre-assembled. So it just kind of pretty basic instruction. Says pull the handlebar stem straight out, unfold and close it, and it will snap in place and latch the block. Okay, so unfold the bike and latch it. So let's do that. So first box, handlebars. So we got here handlebars. Looks like it's already enclosed. I got a pair of keys there. See what that's all about in a minute. All right. This looks like well packaged. You can see they put this box in there. This box was pretty light, you know, in retrospective. So that's pretty cool. This is pretty packaged in here pretty well. So they got the seat, bike. I'm just gonna pull this out and let's assemble this bad boy. Wow. All right. I'm gonna do this just to kind of give it some balance there. Looks like a little latch there to release that. Latch that down. Kickstand down on this, just so this bike can kind of sit upright. Just to kind of latch this in here. I'm a tall guy, so I'm gonna put this up. It's got numbers in here kind of indicating how high you want this. No, that's a true metric system. It's just probably just a setting. So I'm gonna put that in place there. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at this. Wow, look at there, Swagtron.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Fantastic. I like that bright orange color. That is fantastic. Rip some of this packaging on. That's pretty cool. It's got a little handle, so if you wanted to unfold this thing and you wanted to carry it somewhere, that's a good little handle right there. You can kind of maneuver this thing around, which I love about that. This pull this on up. You want to come around here and that just kind of snaps into place is what it says, and that's good. Very neat. All right, so how do we put this on here? Just need to take all this hardware off there. It's pretty clear what we need to do. Take the screw out, take the clamps out, and then put the handlebar in there. So let's do that. Pretty simple. Don't want to make sure I drop anything. Bolt and washer there. Little latch. It does have a little little bolt there. So that kind of lays in there, so I'll remember that. Take that out. Okay, keys. This right here, this little grooved edge, I'd imagine that goes right there to kind of maneuver your handlebars when you need to. All right, we're gonna put this back in place. This little edge right there kind of has a little track that it follows. This key here. Okay, make sure all that lines up. Then I'm gonna drop my bolt. I'll put this back on top as it was. And then feed my bolt from the bottom up. Yep, make sure it catches that little nut there. Screw that on in there. This will clamp down that handlebar, so when you rotate it, you can put that all in place there. So clamp this down some more, tighten it up, and that should be a nice enough fit. Now if that's too loose like that, that's a little too loose still. Kind kind of place it where you want, and you can hold that down a little bit, and then finger tighten this a little bit more, and that should give you a snugger fit. Okay, I love how most of this stuff is metal.
You can do it!
Actually, let me back up here. It doesn't seem like it's not lining up right. There we go. There we go. That seems good. Tighten that down right there. And then we'll go ahead and clamp this back down right here. All right, now we got that clamped down pretty good. It also says to check your air pressure on your tires. On the paperwork here, it says get it to 65 PSI, so make sure you blow that up pretty good. Make sure you get a gauge to check that. Just power this on here. Hold it down for 2 seconds, what it says, and power it on. And it tells you to cycle through all the modes. Mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. There's also a mode 0, which is good. So it's got these keys here. I want to show you real quick how this bike unfolds, which is pretty neat. I know we did that in the beginning, but this is kind of where the battery is too, so I thought that was pretty neat that it goes right here. You can unfold it, reveals the battery. Hold on, let me get my pedal out the way. And then it's pretty cool because it's got a key feature. This is where you put your key, unlock that, and that battery will slide in and out. So it's locked right now because this is locked, but these keys that are fitted to this will unlock that battery, so no one can take your battery, which I thought was pretty cool. So when you're ready to carry it, you just unfold it and then fold it back when you're ready to ride. I love this super duper clamp and this safety latch, so you can't unclamp it unintentionally. So I love that. So let's get riding.